In the past, metric were usually defined in data warehouses for BI applications, but this is causing increasing pains for enterprise with growing data volume and complexity. The rise of a metric store is essentially the attempt to find a solution for these challenges enterprise are encountering. First, teams are incapable of reusing defined metrics in more business applications beyond BI dashboards. Sometimes, defining and analyzing metrics in BI cannot meet the business scenarios, and the business requirement might involve feeding metrics to business applications such as CRM systems. Second, inconsistent metric definitions are causing discrepancies for decision-making. Different teams will get entirely different reporting numbers for very simple business questions. To make matters worse, no one knows exactly which number is correct. Third, it's difficult to define metric with SQL. For example, simple tasks like user sessions, funnel analysis, and data deduplications often require 1,000 lines of SQL queries, which must be written by an expert data engineer or generated programmatically. And last, high complexity of data architecture. Materializing metrics in data warehouse layer is a commonly used current solution. The problem with using view is that they can only be materialized for some query requirements. When requirements are numerous, the data engineering team needs to prepare a large number of views. As a result, the development and maintenance cost is extremely high. What's worse, the data pipeline is complicated and error-prone. That's why we believe the metric store will help solve these challenges. So what exactly is metric store? In the simplest words, a metric store is a middle layer of metric definition between upstream data warehouses, data sources, and downstream business applications. Unlike traditional BI reporting, metric store decouples metric definitions from the BI reportings and the visualizations. And the teams who own the metrics can define their metric once in metric store, forming that single source of truth, and be able to consistently reuse the metric across BI, automation tools, business workflows, or even advanced analytics. There are several benefits that metric store helps the enterprise to achieve. First, with metric store, the metric can be defined once and reused anywhere. That means metric store can be reused flexibly across BI visualizations, SaaS integrations, and an API, opening up tens of new use cases that were not previously possible with BI reportings. Second, in the current solution, the tight coupling between the metric layer and the BI system that consumes it restrains the value of metric in one more application scenarios. However, suppose the metric layer and the BI can be decoupled to create standalone metric store, the single source of truth. In that case, the metric consistency can be achieved when all kinds of downstream systems consume the unified metrics. Third, metric store enable everyone to become a data analyst, regardless of age, data literacy, and technical skills. To make that happen, the metric store provides an either metric as code or extremely intuitive user interface to allow non-technical business user analysts to define their own business metrics. Last, what the ideal metric store solution achieve will no longer be serving only canned BI dashboards, like the old days. Instead, it completes the foundation on which operational BI and exploratory data science both live. With operational data science, business self-service, and use cases kicking in, users adding up, queries growing in exponential numbers. The metric store needs a strong computation engine to back it up to achieve the scalability and currencies of business metric consuming. With the metric store, teams enjoy consistent and reusable metric all in one place, where the metrics are well-governed and trustworthy. It also helps the enterprise effectively build management observability to metric-driven business decision-making. Metric store enable metric-driven decisions for everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please visit our website to learn more about Metric Store.